Hi everyone, it is time for another one of the small pictures from this page in World of Flowers. I thought we would do the fork and trowel today, so I'm going to come in nice and close for you so we can have a good look. Sorry, we're a little bit wonky. We will straighten ourselves up and get a little more central. How long that will last, I don't know, but we'll see. Now, I'm using my Castle Arts soft touch set again, and we're going to start with the sort of silvery colours for this part and this part. I'm just having a little look at what I've got. I think I'm going to use the cool grey. We only have the cool grey and the cool grey deep, which would really be suitable, so I'm going to be using this one. And to do the sort of silvery look, how I do it is I start off with quite a hard layer, and then I fade, so I put less pressure on the pencil and do less layers towards the middle, and then we can leave a white area which will look like shine. Just put a bit around here and leave some shine in the middle, just a little bit like that. I do the same with our fork once I finish fiddling. Fiddle faddle. I think we'll do dark around the edge again now, because we've got these very thin prongs. We may try and just leave a little white heart in the centre. I think that's a train going by. And then basically bring this in a little bit, do a bit under there, and then just leave some small whitish areas like that. Now we've also got these sort of hooks that are holding them up. I quite like the idea of doing those in this colour as well, so I'm just going to bring that up and fade. Make it quite defined, then fade it down quite quickly like that. There we go. Now our handles, of course we can do them any colour we wish. I think it's quite fun to not just do them one colour. Now we could do them greens and browns and oranges, which is probably the sort of colour you would get if you bought these from your local garden centre. But if I had these, what colour would I want them to be? This is my favourite colour in the Castle Arts. So I'm going to start with this colour and do here. What I'm going to do is a similar thing to what I did with the metal, is to make it a bit lighter towards the middle. I'm not going to leave white, but I want it to look like it's slightly shiny, because this would be plastic, and plastic is a bit shiny. Now if I saw those for sale in my garden centre, I would want to buy them, even though I never do any gardening. I only do weeding. Our garden has gravel and a few pots, and I don't really do gardening. As I say, I just do weeding. It's a bit of a mess out there. I have all these ideas from time to time about what I want to do with it, and then nah, I just don't. I'm going to use the purple for the other colour. Just going to give it a sharpen. There we go. And using the same technique where I layer up on the edge a bit less towards the middle. I wonder if perhaps they do make these in this colour. I think they'd be silly not to. Because you'd really, you know, even if they were a bit more expensive, I would buy those rather than a green or an orange set. Maybe you wouldn't, I don't know. Anyway, ooh, a background. I'm just going to grab a rose pink, whoops, and do the background. Now the others, they're all just very plain, so that's what I'm going to do. Just a light circular ish colour. I just chose the pink because it goes well with the purples. Don't forget to do that bit and that bit. It's quite a strange hook, isn't it? Maybe I just don't know much about hooks. I don't know. Or maybe that was a bit easier to draw than the sort of hook that I have, which would be very hard, a sort of like a coat hook. It's going to be quite a quick one, I think. That's okay. Some days there might be another video, some days there might not. Well, there'll always be a short if there isn't a second longer video. There's always something for you. I have a feeling that some days there might be 3 if something very exciting happens, but we'll see. Right, there they are, as simple as that. I do think I would be very tempted to use them if they look like that, but maybe you don't mind, but for me, yeah, I think that's nice. Right, well, thank you for watching. As I say, just a short one today, but there'll be a longer one another day, I'm sure. Hope you have a lovely day and happy colouring.